How to connect Wix to Google Sheets. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect your Wix website or your Google Sheets to your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and once we have been here, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We can go ahead and head over the setup or the home page, click on edit site, and we are going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what I am going to do is going to be very simple. I can go ahead and head over here, click on pages and menus, select the main page that we want to add the Google Sheets to. So we can go ahead and head over to the home page. For example, take one of the sections and we're going to be right there. So we can go ahead and add an app, and this app is going to be Google Sheets. We're going to have the sheet table. It is going to be called Google Sheet Table. You can go ahead and have this app, but in case you do not want to have a paid app in your Wix website, I will recommend another thing right there, but this is going to be adding a Google Sheet to your site. As you can see, this is going to be something connected and also very smart. That was the first method. Now the free method is going to be adding a block, which is going to be an embed code. Click on embed HTML. We're going to head over here and we're going to add the block. So we can go ahead and put the code. We're going to head over the Google Sheets and we're going to click on File, Share, Publish to Web. We can go ahead and click on Embed the entire document, for example, or you can go ahead also and have the web page, but I would like to have it as an embed. We're going to publish this, have it copied like that. We're going to, let me check real quick. We're going to paste it just like this, and boom, we have it just like that. It is going to be set up as you're going to publish it to your website, and the preview is going to be called. Do not worry about the embedded. You only need to set it up correctly. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.